Aware of the ecological challenges of today and tomorrow, we're preparing for the future. The new CT5, a symphony of precision and innovation, compact and powerful, it sculpts the hardest materials with 5-axis kinematics, evacuating chips like leaves in the wind. Its eco-responsible workings dance with the technologies of Industry 4.0. Meticulous monitoring of consumption, temperatures, and movements, with overpressurized air and optimized lubrication and no hydraulic oil required. It exudes efficiency. Minimalist in its footprint, it consumes little but gives everything. With workpiece volumes of up to 72 millimeters by 50 millimeters, the CT5 adapts to and matches a wide choice of tooling. Excellence is synonymous with a sustainable future. CT5 shapes the future, respects the earth, and helps to nourish the hopes of future generations.